Hello everyone, today is Friday, January 10th. It's about 6:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we have another live trading video. Today was a pretty tough day. Trader Jim couldn't seem to get on the right side of the market until later in the day. Yesterday I spoke about time frames and selection of time frame, and a question was posed about using a different time frame every day. Personally, I think it's easier to stick to a single time frame, or at the most two, and I say that because you need a larger time frame for perspective on market structure. A Super Anko 6 in the NASDAQ is a pretty small time frame, meaning there's a lot of bars on the chart and there's a lot of trading opportunities. If I scrunch this up, you can see just how many swings there are on the chart, and there's a lot of bars in the session compared to, let's say, a 987 Heikin-Ashi tick chart or 987 tick chart. A little more clarity here, not so many trading opportunities. By the way, all the charts in the NASDAQ on the Auto Trader, 100% automated, no assistance, did pretty well today. Yesterday I talked about following the direction of the 20 EMA, and this is the BWT Precision Adaptive Moving Average, and going with this above or below on the larger time frame and then on the smaller time frame as well, following the direction, would have kept you on the right side of the market. So this is something to pay attention to, and I know it's difficult while you're actually trading, especially if you are using the Auto Trader and deciding a bias, whether to be long only or short only, which I think is the optimal way to trade, as Jim has shown us over and over and over again. Using this as a guide is a simple way to figure out whether you want to be long or short only. Here's the NASDAQ 500 tick template that Jim showed in the video, in today's video, which we'll see in a moment. And here's how the Auto Trader played that. There was a losing trade here because we are not exiting at precision trend exit, but it did come back and redeem itself by catching these short trades and staying on the right side of the market. So all in all, there was 5 trades. There was 3 winners and 2 losers, but still being on the right side of the market was able to absorb those 2 losers and close at 645 P&L. On this one, we're trading a single contract, and I had upped the profit target because of volatility, and I haven't set it back. So if this was back to its $500 goal, it would have hit that. The maximum equity high on this today was about 750. In the BWT indicators and the Auto Trader, there's a few moving averages that we use, and they're kind of unique. On this one, this Super Anko 6, I set this up with a Precision MA filter with option 2. So option 2 is you can go short if you're below the moving average, and you can go long above the moving average. And this is using the Precision MA with a length of 21. And so this is just a new template I'm experimenting with, and certainly today it worked out really well. And the reason I created this, like you see here, was based on the idea to use your moving average as direction. This is not using the open range indicator, the open range filter, but I have it plotted on the chart. Okay, let's have a look at Trader Jim's video for today.
It was all bearish price movement so far. Saved me from a long trade, that's for sure, but there was nothing here, and I will not be able to use this template now. At least, well, I did not take a long trade, which stopped me from a losing trade, but at this point, this template would not be appropriate for me to trade. I will disable it. Okay, well, 9,005 is not a bad level. Let's see if I can try along now. So once again, now I'm just looking for, well, the other trader is looking for a bullish pattern to develop. And then a long trade will be taken. Here it is. Sorry guys, at the same time I'm looking at oil. Getting close, hold on, let's see. First target. See if it can give me a bit more, so we start trailing it. I hope this template has the trailing stop, I think it does. Yeah, trails after 30 ticks. So yeah, looking at the oil chart, 59 level is interesting. Let's see if oil can firm up on 59, trading 58.97 now. If oil can firm up on 59, there should be a move to at least 59.40 and then 59.80. So I'm just looking at that as well. Looks like they're gonna take my trailing stop here. I'm gonna stay on longs if they do. And they did. All right, I'm gonna stay on longs. Okay, another long. Looks like they pretty much, as always, get me to the tick. It's the double-edged sword of the trailing stops. You know, on the one hand, I guess you get to preserve profits. On the other hand, sometimes they take you out and then just turn around like this and keep going your way. Right, there was another move higher. Let's see if now they'll at least hit the first target. They did. Very nice. Okay. Now just keep going higher. Again, sorry for the noise. Okay. Okay, trailing tight now. Gonna disable the longs if I get stopped or hit my target here. Come on, get the target. Now they're gonna take me out instead, right? Yes, they did. Okay, still some $160 away from daily target. So now we're getting a retracement. Again, guys, sorry for the noise. Hope you can hear me. just the kitchen is right next to my office, and they're doing some work. So anyway, if I did not take the arbitrator off longs, the next long would have been here upon the break of the volatility stop, and definitely would have hit my daily target. I just wanted the retracement, not getting this retracement until now. What is also interesting, let me show you. Now, I was not on shorts, but if I was on shorts, obviously this would have been a beautiful winning trade from the daily open range filter. And now look what happened, right? So price comes back up, touches the open range from underneath and sells off. It would have been another beautiful trade. It's just that my methodology does not allow me a short under these conditions. But if someone else, if their work told them that it's okay to take a short, this would have been a beautiful short day so far. So just to show you how accurate the indicators here are and how the other trader would have traded this. I mean, the other trader would definitely take in a short here and a short here. So just something to keep in mind. I will click longs now. Let's see if we can finish up this template. The way I see it, this is just a retracement. We're still bullish conditions. Okay, well here's the long, blue moving average, blue bars, on a small retracement. Now let's see if we can go higher. And well, it stopped me out. So definitely a down kind of day. I was expecting a bullish day, but not to be. I keep looking at the daily open range template. And again, just a beautiful call by the auto trader if I had it on. The indicators definitely screamed bearish from the beginning of the day. Of course, it stopped me for the tick. I'm still on longs, by the way. Stopped me right to the tick. This is the frustrations of trading. So here is another long after stopping me literally to the tick. I mean, you can see to the tick. This is just unbelievable. Just so frustrating. All right, well, another long. I'm just down slightly here. I still gotta believe in higher prices. They should get to 9,050. This was just a shame. Right, let's see if I can catch a break here. All right, first target is hit. Look at this, I just can't get over this. I really should get over this. I just... Right, well, back positive here. Stop is slightly above break even. If I get stopped out, I'm still gonna stay on longs. The fact is, they did not break any levels that make me feel bearish. but they are sure testing my patience this morning. Alright, so it's trailing close now. Let me disable the longs in case it gets stopped out here. Would love for it to hit the second target. Like I said, 9,050. I mean, really, they should get to 9,050. It's just that the way they've been doing it, kind of choppy back and forth, less than ideal. And of course, took me out again. Well, let's see if I can get a bit of a retracement, then try along again. Well, at least back to positive here, not by much. You know, it's amazing when some days you can make $1,000 in half an hour, and other days you gotta spit blood for $160. They're gonna take me out. Yeah, guys, it's tough, you know. Once again, I don't know why I do this to myself, but why not? Take a look at the open range. Look how beautiful. If I was only on shorts today, look at that. I mean, you want to talk about perfection. This setup, which is Randy's template, called it from the first minute of the day. From the first minute of the day. Touch and sell. Touch and sell. Look at that. I'm on the wrong side today. It might be a negative day. Sorry guys, I had to take this phone call. So, what we got? First target, and of course now they are running. Looks like, or at least won't be negative. Oh boy. What a day. Well, it's Friday. It's been a great week. Maybe this trade is over. I'll just stop. I think they should get to 50. Because I've been saying this for the past hour and a half. Disable the longs again. I think if they stop me here, I'll just be done, guys. I apologize. I know it wasn't a very exciting video. But those of us who trade on a daily basis know that very few days are truly exciting. The rest of it is a grind. Alright guys, well, I am sorry. I am definitely done for the morning. I do have to leave. Maybe this will help. When I come back in the afternoon, if there is anything that is possible to do, I'll try to trade again. But it's just been frustrating for me. I am very slightly positive, which is better than being negative. But once again, I apologize for this video. But that's trading for you. See you later. Well, alright, breaking 9005 is serious for me. I just came back maybe 20 minutes ago and looking at this. I will click shorts if we break here. They're running out of time. They are not going to close or even reach 9050. And if they close today below 9005, then I would say early next week there could be some lower prices. So at this point, I'm ready to take a short. For the first time today, I am ready for a short. Because they're not going to 9050. Which means the flip side of 9050 is below 8980. Now it is getting late in the day, so I don't know if they'll reach the 8980 today, but today's close could be important. Okay, but looks like I'm finally catching a break though at the end of the day. I'm finally on the right side of the market. Though at the end of the day, I unclicked the shorts. It's getting really late, so once I'm out of this one, I am done. Very tough, very challenging day. I guess the good thing that I can say is that with the help of the arbitrator, even though I was on the wrong side of the market for most of the day, I am not negative. As a matter of fact, here we come. All right, well, you know what? Nothing to brag about, but as I said, at least not a negative day. I apologize to, I really wanted to respond to a comment regarding time frames and using different charts. There was a comment on, I think, yesterday's video. I did not get a chance today, but I promised I'm going to make a note for myself. On Monday, I will go over it. I think it's an important question. I'm sure other people might wonder the same thing. Why do I use different time frames, different templates, different charts? I will answer all that on Monday. All right, guys, have a great weekend, everyone. Computer clock and diamond sales and the template. All right, that's it, everyone. See you Monday.